So if you really want to be a popular fashion designer or you want to be known, so this video is for you. Now I've written out some points or some areas you need to consider while you are craving to be a popular fashion designer. Number one is always upgrade yourself. Now you cannot give what you don't have. Now, if you want to give premium or luxury, you must make sure your job is up to standard so that you'll be able to deliver some premium jobs when you get the popularity you are looking for, right? So always upgrade yourself. That's the first thing you need to do before you crave to become popular or become known designer. Now, second thing you need to do is that you have to be visible. Now, how do you become visible? There's no how they can know you if, for example, you're in Abuja, for example, or you're in Lagos, or you're in any other states, and you want to be known globally when you are not physically or visibly online. It's not possible. Most designers or most tailors are shy to come online. So how do you intend people that are not in your locality, in your vicinity to know you? You have to come online so that people will know you and see your brand and see what you are doing. By so doing, they cannot trust you to give you the jobs to do, in due time. Now, the next you need to do is you have to create your unique pattern. You have to create your unique pattern. Now, let people know that this pattern is what you normally use or what you normally do, and make sure that the pattern you're creating, you must have tested it over and over again before you bring it out online, because you're going to see a lot of critics. You're going to receive a lot of criticism from different persons. Now, some criticisms can either build you or mar you, depending on how you see it. So you need to also create your own pattern and make sure that your pattern is working or is very, very achievable. Now, you need to give free tips. Now, free tips like fashion advice, fashion illustrations, discounted training costs or fee, you know, low cost of sewing, like give free tips or discount rates on your services so that those things will help to attract more people to you. Now, you won't, because of Sheyi Vodi is sewing for 1 billion naira and you want to sew for 1 billion naira. You're not yet at the level of Sheyi Vodi or your Casual or any other bigger brand you might know. So even if you're sewing more than them, you don't need to put your price in their rate because their customer base is not the same base with your own customers. You get? So there are some local tellers that actually sew more than these top brands you see in Nigeria or you even see globally. But because of the fact that these people are yet to be known, so their prices will not be equal or the same with the popular brands they already know. And also bear in mind that their client base, their clients' strength or power, or their client purchasing power is not the same with your own client power as well. So you need to know your close customers and know their capabilities and inabilities. So now you also need to dress well, monitor your outfits and services. Now, this area is the point I want to throw more emphasis on because most tailors they like wearing burial polo, they like wearing something that they did not sew. Now, anything you're putting on must be well tailored by you. Just for example, the shirt I'm putting on now is well sewn by my brand. As you can see, it's well tailored by my brand, right? So these outfits you are putting on, you must know that you must sell yourself first before you sell your brand. Because when people meet you, the first impression they will get about you is what they are going to use to justify. If you observe currently now, young boys, young guys have ventured into fashion designing and they are using the paparazzi style effects, to sell their markets. You see them dress every Sunday in a paparazzi style, and people will always go for such style because it's the trending outfit right now. So if you don't dress well or market your brand by wearing your outfits, whom else do you want to be for you? Nobody can market your brand more than you. Nobody can market your business more than you. You need to dress well. So at a point where people look up to you or people wait to see your outfits on occasions or at events. They'll start to copy. Because either they copy by coming to you to sew for them, or they copy, but however, but let it just be that you are living an exemplary lifestyle people can emulate, either in fashion or in any other area as well. Then you need to also start or give free fashion illustrations. If you really want to have automatic fan base or growth, you need to give free fashion illustrations. Now, you're not going to give everything free. You can decide to give the basics, from the basics free, and then maybe few of the intermediate or advanced free. Then you now attach fee to subsequent ones that you might be doing, so that people can pay for knowledge. So if you don't give free first, nobody will trust you with your paid classes. Just like the way I am making these videos for you on my channel on YouTube. If tomorrow I launch a masterclass on male fashion illustrations, you and I will already have an idea of what you are going to see in the third class. That should be more than what you are seeing in my YouTube free illustrations as well. So these free tips will build trust. We build this mentality of you have been here and you have been helpful. So paying you will not be a problem to people anymore. So if you don't give free tips, people will not patronize you when you're making your free classes. That's one of the things I think I should tell you as well. Furthermore, you should also live an entertaining life. Make your life to be entertaining. Make some highlights of your high moments when you are working, when you are going for outing, when you are going for shopping. Post. People like to see, so that they will know that you are an everyday kind of person, right? Then the last but not the least is, don't easily be seen in wrong positions, situations, or conditions. Now, I would like to use this one to end this video. So what this simply means is that don't always be seen in wrong situations like dragging on Facebook. Don't be seen in wrong news, being linked with bad situations or bad news at all times, because people tend to be scared when your name is always synonymous with bad or evil thing. So they tend to be scared that they don't need to trust you anymore because of your past histories. So try your best to be clean. Don't involve in anything that is illegal. Whether you are covering up or you're doing it physically, don't involve yourself, because all of these things has a way of backfiring to you in due time. So even if you want to pretend of whom you are not, make sure you are not going to pretend for long. The earlier you show yourself and tell people that this is whom you are, the better for you, because people will always have a way of finding out whom you are. And always make sure that you have a consistent phone number and a consistent platform. Don't be changing platforms often. Make sure you maintain one platform on social media. So these are more what I felt I should tell you, and then make sure that you always have these things in mind. And that having been said, I want to also add that you also need to be posting your jobs consistently. Post your jobs. You do see Emeka Jua, Sheyi Voji, Vicky James, all those big brands, Mike Atafo them. You see them post their brand, post their jobs almost twice every day. So emulate them. Create videos in your working space. Post these videos. People would like to see what your workspace looks like. People would like to see what your finished products looks like. So all of these things are what I feel all of us should know and also start doing. Having said this, I would like to tell you thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.